What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Realme GT3 240 watt fast charging smartphone is finally launching globally on February 2028 during the MWC 2023. And here are its key specifications and details which you need to know about this smartphone. Now first of all, this smartphone will be charged 0 to 100 in just 9 minutes, which is again insane. Now, before moving forward in this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first thing, let's talk about its design and its display. The design of the Realme GT3 is going to be a unique one, as we have seen that it will be coming with a back LED light next to the cameras module, which is again a unique one. And not only that, you will be getting a glass back in this phone and a metal frame for the premium feel in hand. Now from the front side, you will be getting a 6.7 inch of a 1.5K AMOLED display with a high refresh rate of 144Hz. Now that's a very good display on paper at least, and we have to wait and see how actually the display is going to be on this smartphone. Now talking about the processor, then it will be coming with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and you will be getting 50 megapixel of a triple camera setup with the IMX 890 and 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and there will be 2 megapixel of a depth or a macro sensor just to make up the numbers for a triple camera setup. But on the front side, you will be getting a 16 megapixel of a front selfie shooter. Now the main highlight of this phone is indeed about its charging speed, and you will be getting this phone in two variants. One is going to be a 5000 mAh battery capacity, for which you can charge this phone for 150 watts of super fast charging. And the next one is the 4600 mAh battery with a 240 watts of fast charging support. Now the 240 watt fast charging will charge your phone from 0 to 100 just under 9 minutes, which is again crazy. And you will also be getting an RGB light on the back of the phone, as we have seen earlier. Now this is an RGB light, so indeed you can change custom select this RGB color notifications as per your needs, and you will also be getting an IR blaster to control your electronic devices at your home. Now the official launch event is on February 28 and it's coming very soon. And what you also know gets about the pricing of the smartphone is approximately said to be around at 40 to 50,000 rupees, which will be a direct competition to the OnePlus 11R. Now what do you think about this video and this smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.